It is raining outside. This is just one of the many times it's rained, but it's raining pretty good now for the last like half hour. Feels really, really nice out here. Oh man, I love it. Oops, I'm gonna walk over here. Whew. That felt good. I try going back out that way because I want to see. I'd like to go. Holy crap! It's pouring. Oh my gosh. Whew. I can't really see much, but. Whew. Oh, it feels so good. Holy crap. Alright. I should go back inside now. I am soaked. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, that felt good. Felt good to be outside. Or it's good to be out here, I guess. It's like 12:30 in the morning. And, it feels nice out here. It hasn't rained like this in quite a while. Rain seems to come here late at night opposed to during the day. But it feels really, really good out here right now. Oh man. I'm loving it. I haven't gone to bed yet because I'm waiting for the race to cool down, and I'm waiting for that. I have some things to do in the kitchen as well. So, wow, this is awesome. Love it. Starting to calm down a little bit, but not much. I kind of like where we're at. We get rain like on the sidewalk, but we haven't got a lot of rain by our doorstep. Some other people do, but us, we're just kind of dry over here. Yeah, I'm not making any sense. Oh, well, I should go back inside. Because why not? Man, that felt good. That felt really good. Well, I think I'm gonna get going. Figure I'd do a little short video. Nothing spectacular, but it's something. And it was raining. I've been waiting to be able to do a video in the rain for a while, and today was the day. So, anyway, talk to everyone later. Peace.